Hey, it's Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I'm going to tell you how I removed the paint from the top of this desk when I decided to remove the Lego plate. Okay, so today I am trying to remove the paint from the top of this dresser. As you can see, I had a Lego plate glued down here. This is on my blog, the original post. It's a DIY Lego desk, and what I'm doing is I'm refinishing the top, and obviously I can't just, cover that up again, or I guess I could, but I want to remove the top layer. I'm going to keep the paint on the sides just to save myself some time, and I'm just going to redo the top in a different color. So what I've got to do is remove this paint, and today I've tried with the sander a little bit, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to try using my heat gun. And I've got a scraper here, and as you're heating up, you're just trying to scrape away the layer of paint. I've got some gloves, I've got a mask, and I've got glasses on as well for eye protection. Okay, so as you heat up the paint with your heat gun, you'll notice that it starts to bubble. This gives you an opportunity to just scrape away the bubbling paint, and you can continue to move along, but if you let it cool down a little, you won't be able to peel it away as easily. So it's a little bit of a slow process, but it actually worked really well. I found it pretty satisfying to scrape away all of the little bits, and it ended up coming out really nice. Now I'm going to show you some more video of this process just so you can see the whole top being redone. But when you're finished, it's still not going to be a perfect finish afterwards. I don't know, I felt like I needed to sand it after, so I pulled out my belt sander and also sanded it down once all of the paint was peeled off. You can kind of see it looks like there's little bits of goo before I started to do that. You can see in this photo coming up what it looked like before I painted the top. Once it was all sanded down, I went ahead and put a layer of kind of pinkish spray paint on top, and I love how it came out.